to make a peanut butter milkshake using a travel milk frother. We'll need frothing pitcher, hot milk, peanut butter, and InstaCuppa travel milk frother. Pour the hot milk in the pitcher. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, depending on your taste preference. Stir it. Froth the milk and peanut butter. Remember not to submerge the entire frother in the milk. Continue frothing up and down until it's foamy. Tip: you can also froth with cold milk. Just melt the peanut butter first before frothing. Enjoy your peanut butter milkshake using InstaCuppa Travel Milk Frother.